Welcome back to the shop. Been a little bit, but it's a little bit different out of the ordinary today. I got a customer that's bought a tiller in a box. They want to know if I'd put it together, so I thought this would be a great opportunity for you to see it. Both of us together. It's called the Earthquake Victory rear tine tiller, model number 33970. Weighs 158.8 pounds. A little picture of it here. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. The very first thing we're gonna do is let's get this box from around it. So it is in pieces. It does definitely have to be assembled. Everything's nicely wrapped. You can see the tires on top. Let's take it apart and see what all's in here. So now I have most of the packaging loose. I'll give you a little better look here. And gearbox, your shaft. Looks like some pretty aggressive tires they give you. Comes with your owner's manual, your bolts, your guards. They've included in it this Viper 10W30 20 ounce engine oil. So I'm not gonna make you watch me put this together, but I'm gonna put it together and then I'll show you what it looks like done and we'll fire this machine up. So the very first part of assembly, we've put the handle on. Just hang in there at the end. I'll give you a little walkthrough when we get it all going together, some of the features it has. We're gonna install these side shields right here. So that's your before, and then that's what it looks like with the skirts installed. So now that we got our side skirts on, the next thing we're gonna put on is our tires. So we have our unit put together. This unit does have a gearbox fill for checking and adding fluid or gear dope. Even though this unit is shaft driven, the main drive coming off of the motor is a belt. The unit does have a fuel cutoff switch, also has a kill switch on the handle. It does have a depth drag. So we got her together, let's see if it'll run. Got it on. So as you can see, it does run. So we got that done, we got her put together. I'm pretty impressed for the value of what it is. It's a lot more than I was expecting it to be when I took it out of the box. So I appreciate y'all joining me and I'll see you back here next time.